What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cam and Zadi back with another video, you feel me? Make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all like, and hit the bell notification if y'all want to see more of these videos. First of all, I want to say thank you to Shoe Pop for sponsoring this video and making this collab possible. You know, they sent me some shoes right here. Haven't unboxed it yet, so we're going to do a little unboxing and like a little review over them. I'm not gonna let y'all know what shoe we got yet, but these are reps, so I'm not saying these are real shoes at all. We're just doing a little review over them. You know, if y'all mess with reps and y'all do all that stuff, yeah, we're gonna see if Shoe Pop legit, you feel me? They sent me these shoes. They did not take long to ship. It took me like, within, I would say less than a week to get here. Make sure y'all tap into Shoe Pop though. I'm gonna have the link in the description, all this stuff to get there, you feel me? And let them know that Cam sent you. I appreciate y'all for this again. If y'all want to see more reviews on like anything in that category, yeah, just make sure y'all put that in the comments and I got y'all, feel me? So we finna get straight into the little video. Make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all hit that bell notification. It's only going up, so make sure y'all subscribe for the best video ever. And you feel me? I have not seen them or none of that. This is my first review from them. Now I'm gonna go off just this box alone. I fuck with this box. I fuck with like the shipping because like it's not a beat up box. You know, sometimes when you order from like across seas and stuff like that, they normally come pretty beat up. Like the box will be all bent and dingy and all that shit. But this box is pretty hell, like it's in pretty good condition for real. But I can get this shit open. All right, so we got this part. We got it open. Let's see if we can get this box out. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Oh. Put that on over here. And you feel me? They got the bubble wrap around it. Ooh. You feel me? We got the Balenciaga track runner, you feel me? Now just off the box alone, like look at the condition of this box. This is a very good condition box for real. Like, oh my God, this is really, oh my God. Let me know if y'all see any, like, you tell, well, obviously, I don't think this supposed to come with it, but, like, just off the box alone, look how gorgeous this box looks. It is time to get into the actual shoe, you feel me? So, opening it up, you feel me? This is what the look, it look legit. Everything looks so good right now. Like, this looks like when you first buy a shoe box, like, legit, like, everything in the box. It's looking so good so far. So we got the laces right here. We're gonna put those to the side right now. At the end, we got the little pouch. Everything looking legit. You say, look, it say Balenciaga, everything. Come with the little cord for the shoes. And then here we go. This is little paper they sent me. Make sure y'all use the discount code CAM. That get y'all a little percentage off y'all order. Save y'all a little money. And the shoe, overall, let me say, the shoe overall on the site, they have a limited amount of shoes. Like, they have every shoe you could ever think of. Like, every colorway, every shoe, all that. So it's not, you know, you looking for a shoe, they got it. And it all good price. Like, everything, from what I seen on the site, was under 200. No matter what shoe it is. All right, so now we finna unbox it. I wanna let y'all see. Okay. Okay. We'll put that right there. We gotta give it a little sniff here. Ooh, smell like just, it smells like real shoe. Now let's get to the overall shoe. Now I got it right here. This is the shoe. Now just off of looks, the stitching looks good. There's not really any loose stitching for real that I see. The color like is all like exact, you feel me? There's no glue. It's hard to see glue anywhere. You know, most reps when they're reps and they're fake shoes, you see a lot of glue, the stitching loose, all that. Let's check the wording. And the wording, yeah, everything looks good. It's spelled exactly how it's supposed to be. Overall, this is a pretty dope shoe for real. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, now I got these in a size 12 because they didn't have 13. I don't know if they, like certain shoes, they might not have your size. So like these, they only had 12s, but I can fit 12. So it didn't really bother me for real. But look at these shoes. I think this is, yeah, this is the left. And then this is left, this right. Here go the bottom of the shoes. You feel me? Side. This is the back. These do light up, so I'm finna get into this. I'm trying to see how, cause I never had these exact shoes, so I'm not sure too much how to. All right, now that the lights off, I want to show y'all like the colors better. You feel me? They got all the selection that the real one have. If you're looking to get some LED tracks, they are gonna work. They look pretty good. Now for the last part, we're gonna do a little try on until we're gonna see what they look like on the feet. You know, I'm gonna give it a try when we get them on the feet.
I just told her make a stone run. I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah. I told her stab my knees. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. Real talk, I just pulled up in some food. I told her mama tie all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash, now she woozy. 20 matches in those.
Like everything that come with the shoe, it's all gonna be there. It even came with, you know, the own Balenciaga bag. So I just wanted to add that in there before the video ended. But yeah, shoelaces all here. The shoe here, they got the bag in there. You feel me? Everything was there, including the bag, all that, the charger, everything there. Thank you, Shoe Pop. Make sure y'all tap into them. Link in the description. We out.